As India celebrates Gandhi Jayanti on the 2nd of October, Shreya and I decided that you should know a bit more about the father of our nation, Mohandas Gandhi. But who wants to hear the same old history? So we wanted to share something a little different.
So we packed our bags and drove ourselves here to Pune, to the Aga Khan Palace. We found out that Gandhi was kept here for almost 2 years with his wife and his secretary. This is a very fascinating place. It's mentioned in a history textbook, but not quite. So we are here to provide you with more information about historical knowledge about this place. So Sonika and I decided to share our research. I researched about the history of the palace. What did you research about?
This place is way more important than we realize. Gandhi, his secretary Mahadev Desai, and his wife used to stay here under house arrest. I had to do my homework and we have a lot to share. So let's explore.
झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी काया तेरी धूल हो जासी ऐसा सख्त था महाराज जिनका मुल्कों में
Sonika, did you know that the Aga Khan Palace was built around 1892? It was built by an emperor called Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan III. This palace was built by Sultan for the people who were struck by famine, and he almost employed around 1,000 people from around the region.
That is so kind and generous of the Sultan. History has given us so many people to take inspiration out of.
Exactly. Sultan was such a kind soul. I feel like there should be more people in this world so that we can make this place a better world to live in. Sultan's son donated this palace in the year 1969 to the Indians in the respect of Gandhi and its legacies. Also that the Samadhi of Kasturba and Desai, the secretary, are still here.
As we know that every kid wants to be like their father.
Totally agree. The palace was built in just 5 years. It only took about 12 lakh rupees to build the palace. The area covers just around 13 acres and the total built-up palace around 7 acres. And the rest is the beautiful garden we stand upon.
काया धूल हो जासी काया तेरी धूल हो जासी
I read that the names of Gandhi ji, Kasturba Bai, and Sarojini Naidu are also in this palace.
There are also handwritten transcripts written by Gandhiji himself before he got arrested in 1940. Those transcripts were the message to Indians. There are also glass shelves where the daily objects of Kasturba Gandhi and Mahatma Gandhi are placed neatly and are preserved. That's my part of the research. What is your part?
Oh Shreya, that is some useful information. I surely have not done that in my schooling. Now we should learn a little more from my research. So Mahatma Gandhi, his wife Kasturba Gandhi, and his secretary Mahadev Desai were under house arrest from 9th August 1942 to May 1944 following the Quit India movement. That's almost 2 years.
It's not a very long time, but if you are someone so influential and important as Gandhi, it is a long time.
Only if you think so. Kasturba Gandhi and Mahadev Desai had passed away in the captivity period in the palace. As you can see, their samadhis are placed here. Later on, Gandhiji also passed away. His samadhi is also placed here along with both of the other samadhis.
Oh God, that's unfortunate.
Exactly, it hurts. But the building still has to stand up to keep the history alive. Then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had visited the palace in 1974 where she allotted a sum of 2 lakh every year for its maintenance. The amount rose to 10 lakh until the 1990s.
Sounds great by adjusting the inflation.
There is always a but, Shreya. The Aga Khan Palace was neglected for many years due to improper allocation of funds for some reason. There was a protest held at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi near the Pune railway station in July 1999 to protest against the worsening condition of the monument. Since then, present condition has improved quite a lot.
Thanks to those people who protested. Only because of them, we are able to witness the building with such significance.
Agreed. So that was my research.
That was great. Now we exactly know what happened here.
History is something we all should learn. It fills our mind with being grateful and respect.
We are sure that you learned something which you haven't learned in your history textbooks yet. This place, the Aga Khan Palace, is a very mesmerizing place. You should come and give it a visit. This is Shreya.
And this is Sonika signing off.
চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে